All right, good morning. Day 6 at King of the Hammers. Day 6. These last couple of days, we've had some carnage on the vehicles. Vehicle's been good, but King of the Hammers, kind of behind the scenes, ain't all rainbows and unicorns and princesses. Let me show you guys kind of like behind the scenes of what happens at King of the Hammers when you're out here for, a couple of weeks at a time, just beating on your equipment, day in, day out, 24/7 basically. King of the Hammers, headed to Chocolate Thunder, back door, sand dunes, jumping, just having a good time. Equipment is bound to fail. So let's go look at some of the carnage here in camp that these boys over here are working on. All right, so we got Risley, who brought his welder, he brought gas, he brought gauges, some kind of oxygen slash gas gauge here. We got Bronco Pat. Let's just take a gander here. Bronco Pat under here, just ripping stuff apart. What you working on, bud?
You see this?
I can't see crap. Let's take a look here. Let's get under here with you. Oh, look at that exhaust.
We're fucking.
That's why she sounds like she's got a V12 in her. I thought you put a Viper motor in this sucker, dude.
Yeah. This is not California compliant emissions.
Yeah, you're gonna piss Papa Newsom off, dude.
Yeah.
He really hates that. Look at that, right by your O2 sensor.
Yep.
Oh man, dude.
And then look at the O2 sensor.
But I bet your freaking Bronco's been burning right since you're getting rid of this exhaust system.
Can you see this where my finger is or no?
Oh yeah, got a little heat.
Yeah, so I'm trying to disconnect it, and it's
She's welded on there.
she's one. Obi-Wan
Kenobi, dude. Woo. Oh my gosh.
So
all right,
we're in a pickle.
Yeah.
We're playing pickleball.
All right.
And we're not winning.
Okay, so you're gonna weld her up right now?
If I could get this connection off, we're gonna weld her up.
Well, let's see.
I might be taking the sensor out.
Yeah.
Steve-O!
All right. So that's some carnage here. Okay. So we got carnage there. Then we got Adam. Got a little squirrely in jackhammer last night. Got on the lake bed, got a little trapped. Second time he's broken a U-joint. Wait, it's fixed.
Yeah, he put it back together.
He put it back together?
Yeah.
Adam, you got her fixed already?
We gotta weld it up. We gotta pull into the welding station next.
All right.
We're in line.
So, there was a sticker here of a guy who fixes stuff out here. Oh, let's see here. Let's see if we can get this is a pretty funny sticker, dude. Oh, no, you don't. Oh, come on. It's so good. Not without a washer. And it's a bolt trying to get into a nut. Busted nut. A busted nut. So, you guys got trapped on the lake bed last night. Full throttle, full RPMs, cooking in two-wheel drive across the lake bed. Oh, boy. This thing is caked in mud. I don't know if you guys could tell, but she dirty, girl. I feel bad for the passengers that were sitting in the rear or have to sit in the rear. Not good. Not a good situation, but he got that already fixed up. He's going to go get the caps welded on that U-joint to the yoke, so hopefully she doesn't break anymore. Maybe get some limit straps. So it's the second time it's broken. Turkey claw, jackhammer. Taking it. Taking your U-joints, dude, left and right. All right, so you can see the boys fixing all their little carnage that happened last night. My carnage so far on my car is my buddy peeing on my trailing arm, Brandon. What are you doing? You got the whole desert. You pee on my trailing arm last night? Unreal, dude. That's my carnage. Oh, the welding gods, dude. It's so important to have a welder in camp, dude, and you freaking hooked it up, dude.
Yeah. Well, we got to get the boys on the road.
I know.
My rig's
So look at this.
down.
Your rig is down.
Jeep is down this year, so gotta take care of the dudes.
Yeah, dude. Yep. So Pat's gonna get his Bronco up and running. Adam's gonna go get that welded, and then we'll be off to the race course. We're gonna go up that trail right there, up to the top of the mountain to get you guys the best view. That is a gnarly trail that we pin up, dude. So let's get her going. Sparks flying.
Exhausted. If I didn't break that bolt, this would be so much easier.
It's 1 hour play is about 3 hours of work.
Yeah.
If you're lucky.
If you're lucky. I was guessing 5-6 hours of work.
I think depending on your rig and how it's put together.
Not including work money.
Or fuel, oil, basic, regular maintenance on
Everything.
vehicles, everything.
Yep, it all adds up. But it's looking good. Is it going to come together?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I got-
Chris, keep fingering that hole, dude.
Fabricator. He's
got-
an exhaust
You got to spit
specialist.
on your finger first, dude.
He's an exhaust specialist. His name's Chris Risley.
All right, dude.
That looks good right there.
Right there, yep. Can't see it from my house.
We'll make it look all right.
She's got a little gapper.
Don't mind the gap.
Mind the gap, dude. Remember that website?
Yeah.
The Chive, dude.
Yeah.
All right. So, in order for this sucker, because it was all cooked and bent, he made some relief cuts, flared it out, and crammed her in there. So, we're going to, Pat, or who's going to do the welding? Pat?
Yeah.
All right.
Chris is gonna let me.
Yeah, get her cleaned up and go to town, dude.
I'm blowing it. Good blow job. Brushing her teeth out here in Johnson Valley. Tweaker
I need to
City.
use that, get the plaque off of my teeth, dude.
I haven't even brushed mine yet.
No, I can
sick.
smell it.
I can feel it.
You guys have a cat in the motorhome, dude?
Yeah.
He's shitting in everybody's mouth.
Have you ever seen that cat? It's shit in my mouth.
Let's rotate your way a little.
Generator's going.
All right, so he's measuring right now limit straps because the articulation is cooking that U-joint on the front. So he has tabs that he brought for limit straps, getting a measurement. What are we thinking, dude? Trying to get a measurement for the correct length strap. And so we don't cook any more U-joints because we want to take this thing in turkey claw, which is back here. These kiddos ripping RC cars. Look at this camp. This guy surrounds his whole camp with Christmas trees. And then on the last night, he burns them all at one time. It's freaking awesome. We might have some racing going on. We're still trying to get these. Oh yeah, look. We can see some racing going on from camp. There's 3 cars on course right there. So these dudes are just trying to get it fixed back on the road so we can go out and watch some racing. Look at that, beautiful. Yep.
Welcome to Metal Sewing 101.
Got any metal thread? Yes, we do. Right there.
With the gas.
I'm fucking impressed.
Fucking welding good, Chris.
Yeah.